Hello viewer, welcome to Numerical Hub. In this video, we will be looking at solving simultaneous equations using matrix method. There are a number of ways of solving simultaneous equations. One of them include elimination method. You have got elimination method. The second one is substitution method. The third one is graphical method. And then now the fourth one is matrix method. So in matrix method, there are a number of ways, or there are some methods that we have to follow in order to get our final answer in solving the simultaneous equation given. So if, let us say, we have been told to solve m plus n is equals to 5 and 3m minus 2n is equals to 0 using matrix method. Solve that using matrix method. What should we do? So the first thing that you should do, you stick to the end of the video. I will be giving you a summary of the steps to follow. So the first thing that you should do is to change the equation into matrix. You change the equation into matrix equation. How do we change the given linear equation into matrix equation? We will take the coefficients of m and n and then write them in matrix form. The coefficient of m here is 1. The coefficient of n here is 1. The coefficient of m here is 3. And the coefficient of n here is negative 2. And then we include mn is equals to 5, 0. You write this one too in matrix form. So this one here is known as the coefficient matrix. The whole of this one is known as coefficient matrix. So this one here is coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix. And then this one here is known as constant matrix. So after turning your linear equation into matrix equation, the next thing that we will do is we will find the inverse of the coefficient matrix. So we'll let 1, 1, 3, negative 2 be a number. Let us say k. So to find the inverse of k, we are going to do 1 all over the determinant of k times k star. I have already handled on how to find the inverse of a matrix. The link is in the description of this video. You can watch it so that you will understand what we mean when we say k star and what we mean when we say the determinant of a matrix. So determinant of k is equals to, we are going to multiply 1 by negative 2, which is going to give us negative 2, minus 3 by 1, which is 3. So the determinant here is going to give us negative 5. So k star is equals to, we are going to interchange the values in the principal diagonal, negative 2, 1, and then you are going to negate the values in the other diagonal. So this is going to be negative 1, negative 3. So my k inverse is going to be 1 all over negative 5, and then we multiply this one by negative 2, negative 1, negative 3. Sorry for that, negative 3 and 1. So if we simplify this, it's going to be 2 over 5, if you multiply 1 over negative 5 by negative 2, it's going to be 2 over 5. If we multiply negative 1 over 5 by negative 1, it's going to give us 1 over 5. If we multiply negative 1 over 5 by negative 3, it's going to give us 3 over 5. And then we multiply negative 1 over 5 by 1, is going to give us negative 1 over 5. So this is the inverse of k. So after obtaining the inverse of k, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to multiply the inverse of k by the coefficient matrix and the constant matrix. So it is going to be 2 over 5, 2 over 5, 1 over 5, 3 over 5, negative 1 over 5. We multiply that one by 1, 1, and 3, negative 2, mn is equals to 5, 0, and then we multiply that one also by the coefficient matrix. 2 over 5, 1 over 5, 3 over 5, negative 1 over 5. So remember that if we take a matrix, say A, then we multiply it by the inverse of A, we are going to get an identity matrix. So if we look at our matrix here, this one is the matrix K, and then this one here is the inverse of matrix K. So if we multiply the two, we are going to get an identity matrix, which is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the identity matrix. Then Mn is equals to 5, 0, 2, 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, negative 1, 5. So we are going to get to multiply these ones. If we multiply this, 1 by m is m, plus 0 by n, this one is going to give me m. And then if we multiply m by 0 is 0. If we multiply 1 by n, that one is going to give me n. Is equals to, if we multiply 5 by 2 over 5, we are going to get 10 over 5, plus if we multiply 0 by 1 over 5, we are going to get 0. So this one is going to give us 10 over 5, which is equals to 2. If we multiply 5 times 3 over 5, is this one is going to give me 15 over 5, plus if we multiply 0 by negative 1 over 5 is going to give me 0, and then 15 over 5 simplifies to 3. 15 over 5 simplifies to 3. So my value for m is 2, and then my value for n is 3. That's how we go about it when we are solving simultaneous equations using matrix method. So you can try and carry out this. And see what you will get your answers to be. Solve P minus 2Q is equals to 4. 2P plus Q is equals to 3 using matrix method. Solve that and see if you will get your answers to be P should give you 2, and then Q should give you negative 1. These are the answers. You can leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know whether you have succeeded in calculating it or not. So in summary, the steps that you are supposed to follow when solving a simultaneous equation using matrix method are: step 1 is write the equation in matrix form. Write the linear equation in matrix form. The linear equation which you are given, you write it in matrix form. You write the linear equation which you are given in matrix form. The second step which you are supposed to follow is find the inverse of the coefficient matrix. You find the inverse of the coefficient matrix. The coefficient matrix, you will get it after writing your equation in matrix form. The third step is multiply the coefficient matrix and the constant matrix by the inverse matrix. You multiply the coefficient matrix and the constant matrix by the inverse matrix. And from that you will be able to get the solutions to your linear equation. So if this is my matrix, so let us say our equation was A plus B is equals to D. Let us say D, and then A minus B is equals to some F is equals to F. So for me to write the linear equation in matrix form, I'll take the coefficients of this values A and B. So the coefficient of A here is 1. I'll write 1. For B here is 1. For A here is 1. And for B here is -1. And then I include my unknowns, which is A and B is equals to D and F. So I said that this is the coefficient. This is the coefficient matrix. This is the coefficient matrix, and this is the constant matrix. So that's the steps which you are supposed to follow when solving simultaneous equations using matrix method. Thank you for your time. If you find this content good, please consider liking it, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. Thank you.